Hello everybody, as promised I'm back with box number 2 of 2019 Diamond Kings. If you watched the first video, then you know I've kind of got a crush on this stuff. I've always liked it, but this year it looks really good. Some really neat and interesting creative inserts. You get 2 hits. My first box was as expected, 1 auto, 1 mem, but there was a little twist on the mem, so if you haven't watched that video, I suggest that you do so you could see what I got there. Thought it was pretty cool. So in case you didn't or don't care to watch the first video, I'll go ahead and repeat that there are 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, and 2 hits per box. There are short prints. There are, as I discovered, gosh, these are all so hard open. Different color frame cards, with the most common being plum. So a purplish hue to those. Some interesting inserts. It's pretty cool stuff. So let's check this box out. JD Martinez, Bryce Wilson, McNeil, Roger Hornsby. This is where I still, oh wait, that's actually one of the plum. Which, you know what, I don't want to start critiquing it because I really do like this stuff, but it's an interesting choice to choose that color for the frames, or for the common frames. I don't know. A-Rod, Flashback, Corbin Burns rookie, Musial, Erskine. Tris Speaker, Dakota Hudson rookie, Pee Wee Reese, Giancarlo Stanton. Oh wow, that's interesting. What is this? What are they calling this? It just says crowning moment. DK02 GS. I don't think I got one of these in the first box, so that's new and different. There's Portrait Ricky Henderson. Really cool card there. Salvador Perez, Brett Keller rookie, and Reese Hoskins. Kopech, Cochran, Justice Sheffield rookie, Erskine, artist proof. Otani, Gallery of Stars. Goldie, Clemente, Josh James. Mathewson, Ozzy Albies, Altuve, Frank Thomas. I guess that's a short print. I still didn't get the answer on that. It's turned around backwards, so I'm going to assume that it is. And set that there. Grover Alexander, the 300. Satchel Paige. A couple of rookie cards. Moving on. Mookie, Kyle Freeland, Simmons, Kirby Puckett. What is this? I think it's a frame. Yep. I guess the different color frames, if there are any, I assume there are tough pulls because so far I don't have one. Forrest Whitley, heirs to the throne. It's hard to say in Southern speak. Benintendi, Yogi Berra, Alkaline. Miggy, Vlad Sr., DeGrom, Alston, a filler, Kirby Puckett, Flashback, Dale Santos, Verlander, Chris Davis, so no hits yet. Should be getting there soon though. Another Ozzy Albies, Altuve, Mookie Betts. We got something here. Fernando Tatis Jr. Whoa, that's sweet. Look at that. Jersey auto combo of a really sweet young player. Got a pretty good autograph. It's kind of going off the sticker, but still, you could see that he takes the time to try to actually sign his name. This is not numbered, surprisingly, but it's a really cool hit. Alright, that's hit number 1. I like it. Arenado, Gallery of Stars, Roger Maris, Kevin Newman, Jimmy Fox. Foxy! Foxy! What else do we have? Juan Soto, Ichiro. I guess that's a short print of Ichiro. And then we have one of these really cool cards of Griffey. What is this? I forgot. The 205? Yeah, DK 205 series. Nice. Mullins rookie. Andujar, Bowers rookie. Tony Gwynn, Jonathan Davis, Gary Hampson, Justice Sheffield, something or other, another plum frame rookie, and a Juan Soto, Heirs to the Throne, Lou Gehrig, Carpenter, Charlie Keller. I think that's probably my other hit. Let's save that to last. Probably another jersey or back card. There's Aaron Judge, Shoeless Joe, Urias rookie, Gleyber Torres, I guess SP. Aaron Judge, Heirs to the Throne. Very nice. Chance Adams rookie, Brooks Robinson, Roger Hornsby. I don't know, this pack's pretty heavy too. The hit could be in here. Something in here. Let's see. Is it not? That's gonna be the hit, so I guess this pack must have a filler in it. Yep. Kyle Wright rookie, Nolan Ryan, David Fletcher rookie. Oh, another version of that Griffey, but this is numbered to 25. I don't know if you can see the numbers right there in the middle. Back looks the same, but the front has the number and lettering at the bottom, and the crown have like a hollow foil look. That's pretty cool. This box is like winning over the last one. Honus Wagner 1919. Cool. Aaron Nola, Kramer, Babe Ruth. Alright, let's see our other hit. Last hit. O'Hearn rookie, Ted Williams, Jacob Nix. It is Reese McGuire, the young guy. Two little baby dual relic. So not the best mem card, but that's okay. He's young. Just catchers don't always get the love they deserve. Piazza did, but he was just like incredible. So George Sisler, 1919. I really like the look of these. That's really clean. It looks good. Botto, Sewell, Ricky Henderson. Wow, man. Now I wish I had more boxes of this. I guess I could remedy that before the price will go up probably a little bit, but not too much. And then it'll probably be like last year's and settle at around 50. That's my guess anyway. So, you know, if you want it now, you're going to overpay a little bit, but not too terribly much. So that's it, guys and gals. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here more than you could ever know. I have something else. Blowout Cards emailed me. Something else is coming soon. Bowman's right around the bend. I got something else on pre-order, like I think 2019 Leaf Metal Football's on the way. There's a couple of things about to hit, and I've pre-ordered them, so I'll have them for you soon. Watch the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn your little notification bell so you'll be notified when I post those videos up. And yeah, other than that, I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.